Riri mugomo wa arutani a sekondari rungu rwa kiama gia KUPPET woingirite thiko ya gatatu. Kiama gia KUPPET kiugite no meguthie na mbere na mugomo uyu nginyagia riria TSC ikwinyihia na itikire gukinyaniria mendekithia mao. Thengia wa itua ria igoti makirwo marugamie mugomo wao ihinda-ini ria thiko 7. Kiama giki kiugite ni gitumite mawakiri ao igoti-ini niguo mathathaure watho ria igoti ria gutuithania macira ma kiwira rirarekereirie muthenya wa ira makirugamia mugomo wa arutani. KUPPET makiuga ni mehaririirie kung'ethanira na TSC igoti-ini.
The union lawyers are seized with the matter and they have since moved to seek an interpretation of the said orders. Pending that interpretation, the message to our members is that the strike is on. The union will address all issues concerning the strike only through a return to work formula.
Ni mokereire TSC makiuga arutani makoretwo na mathina kiondorita na TSC imatoragia na ciiraniro itakinyanagiria maundu-ini mothe maria maiguanira na gwikiranira ngirimiti. No ni mehaririirie kunanira njung'o na TSC na magacoka wira mekiranira ngirimiti no ti kuhitukira ciiraniro tu.
The president has already given us 18 billion in promissory note. Why can't they call us for a return to work arrangement? And that is very simple. We are ready this afternoon if Teacher Service Commission is ready.
Ihinda-ini o riu mwandiki munene wa kiama gia KOTU Francis Atwoli ni oritie TSC enyihie netige kwagagia arutani kuona watho wa igoti wa kurugamia mugomo ni undu muhituke ni mahinda.
TSC must humble itself, that is Teacher Service Commission, and append their signature on a return to work formula without any delay. Because if they don't do so, eventually there might be victimization for those teachers who had organized the strike.
Akiaria ari kaunti-ini ya Migori, President William Ruto ni oritie arutani metikire gucoka wira akimerira gugikinya muthia wa mweri uyu ni megukorwo marihitwo mbeca ciao ciothe cia njoherera.
Kama serikali sasa tumetoa pesa, tutalipa arrears yao mwisho wa mwezi huu. Kila mwalimu atapata pesa zake.
Maya magithiaga na mbere arutani aya kaunti-ini itiganite no mathire na mbere na mugomo wao. Kaunti-ini ya Nyeri na Naikuru arutani makiuga matigucoka irathi nginyagia maundu mao mothe marumbuiyo.
Aciarire turamera maikara na ciana kuria micii undu kou ni kuire safe.
The courts are being used to intimidate teachers and the teachers of this country should know that.
Mwalimu mkuu ni alituambia kwamba watoto waende shule. Sasa tunahopa kuna zile strategy ambazo wametumia za kuweza kukaa na watoto hapo shule.
Mwana ucio nathie skuru ria guthi guikara uguo torote mwalimu wa kumuthomithia.
Kaunti-ini ya Kilifi, Mombasa, Kakamega na Bungoma arutani aya hindi ya mirurungano ino ni moretie TSC itambura wira uria marutaga hatari kumarutira mikana.
Sisi walimu hatutatishwa na wale principals ambao wanatisha walimu kule.
Walimu wako madarasani na kama hamtatoka madarasani tutakuja kuwatoa madarasani.
We are disobeying the court order because of two reasons. One, the government itself has never respected the court orders.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni jetagwo Wagoi wa Mwirori.